Good afternoon, everyone. It's Mark Anthony Malika reporting from 5000 North Ocean on this beautiful summer afternoon. I'm standing on the terrace of Residence 402, a gorgeous 2-bedroom, 3-bath plus den. We're now standing on the terrace, a 505 square foot terrace. It's truly a celebration of outdoor living from this gorgeous residence. As you can see, the sales gallery has been completely demolished, and now this area will be filled in, so it's a level plane from the ground floor, the fitness center, and the club social room. There'll be a direct walk out to the beach. That's a wrap from 5000 North Ocean today. More to come again soon as we're nearly finishing a number of residences and still right on schedule to deliver occupancy later this fall.